Number 20 wants us to write the sample space, which is all possible outcomes, of, that says if, of two six-sided die are being rolled. Okay, so the sample space is, I found this online. This is a really good way to think about it, okay? You got the first die, you could roll a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. And then the second die, you could also roll a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the sample space is all the possible combinations of rolls that you could get. So those are all being highlighted for you right now. So I get a 1 and a 1, a 1 and a 2, a 1 and a 3, and so on and so forth. So that right there is what you would write down for the answer for the sample space. There happen to be 36 elements in the sample space, but the sample space is not the number 36. The sample space is the collection of all possible outcomes, as denoted by this picture. So then we use this information to attack problem A over here. It says, what's the probability of rolling a 6 and a 4, express your answer as a fraction? Okay, so if I go back over here and I look for all the places where I can get a 6 and 4, well, there's a 6 and a 4. Do you guys see any others? There's one over there, right? That's it. Because I could roll a 6 on the first die and a 4 on the second, or vice versa. 4 on the first die and a 6 on the second. Either way, the probability is all the ways that it could happen, which would be 2, out of all the total ways possible of 36. So that gives me my 2 out of 36 or my 1 out of 18, I think is what I put in the answers right there. All right, so then part B is asking, what's the probability of rolling the sum of equal to 8? Express your answer as a fraction. Okay, well, how many ways could I get an 8? Well, I could get a 4 and a 4. That would add to an 8. I could roll a 5 and a 3. That would add to an 8, a 6 and a 2, a 3 and a 5, and a 2 and a 6. So every single possible outcome that would roll to an 8 is denoted by the ones that I've just circled here. Well, how many of those are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the probability of getting this would be 5 out of 36. That would be a sum of 8. And those are the two answers for number 20.